And good Tuesday morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Mike Javer. Today, our coastal system actually moves out to the east, which will allow for decreasing clouds throughout the day. So we will see some sun across most of the region today, maybe except for southeastern PA, which will be mostly cloudy throughout the day. However, a little bit of a ridge moves in from the west, not quite overtakes the entire area, so it won't be entirely well above average, but it will be near average at most as temperatures get back into the 60s to near 70 across most of the region, which is good. And I just wanted to bring up the 24-hour rainfall totals. Some of these stations are obviously off. There are some of these areas, like the one here, Williamsport, probably did not get a trace, depending on some of the totals around the area. Even this one up between Wilkes-Barre and Scranton, probably not gonna happen. But again, most areas received anywhere from about a quarter of an inch to about half an inch in many areas. Some areas received over an inch, especially near the Poconos and stuff like that. So we did get some more beneficial rain today. It seemed like it was more in the form of mist, or I should say what we had yesterday. This came in more in the form of mist, and it was very light overall, so it didn't really accumulate to be too much, but any rain helps our situation at this point. And I wanted to bring up our satellite view tonight just to show you. Here's this coastal low right here that's actually going to be moving out to the east tomorrow as this ridge builds in. I kind of drew this with this dark blue line. It keeps us a little bit warmer for Tuesday. And as that system moves out, that allows that ridge to move in. And when you have a ridge, that usually comes with higher heights, which means warmer columns of air, which gets translated to the surface, which in turn gives us a little bit warmer temperatures overall tomorrow. And that will continue again throughout most of the day tomorrow before Wednesday approaches, before we see our next cold front move through, which will be moisture starved, as I mentioned in yesterday's video. So we're not looking at anything in terms of precipitation, but we will be tuning into a more of a cooler air mass with that high pressure up here to the northwest. So we're keeping an eye on that, especially as we move into Wednesday, and I kind of drew that with that cold front throughout the day. Wednesday is the GFS temperature gauge showing that cooler air moving in, especially with some of those more northerly winds as that high pressure sits off over the Great Lakes Wednesday. So Wednesday and Thursday, it'll be feeling like fall, and it will be quite nice and comfortable. And that's all I have for you guys today. Have a great day, and I'm meteorologist Mike Javer.